Hey strangers, today we're going to be making 3 super easy but delicious taco recipes. If you haven't found out by now, or if you don't know me in real life, I absolutely love tacos. I feel like I can eat them pretty much every day. You can make this if you're a professional chef or if it's literally your first time cutting chicken. All 3 of these recipes are super simple to follow. I'll have all the ingredients linked down below for you guys. So we're gonna go into our fridge, we're gonna grab our chicken breast, some sweet potatoes, some sweet peppers, and some mixed garlic. And we'll probably have to come back for some more ingredients in a bit. Regardless of the meat that you purchased, I always recommend for you to wash your meat. I don't know who really taught me this. Also, make sure you wash your hands before you start cooking. I washed mine before recording, so please do not get on me in the comments about that. This is a very sharp knife, so if you're a beginner, you might want to start off with a butter knife, but the thing is, I feel like cutting with a butter knife might actually be more difficult because it doesn't go through the meat that easily. So as a result, you're going to be putting in a lot more elbow grease. We're going to grab some garlic powder, black pepper, salt, table seasoning. Throw in some olive oil, just a good amount to coat everything. You don't have to be too precise with this. This in here. Oh, sorry. Make sure to get rid of the fat. Put the fat somewhere else there. Put it on the side so it doesn't creep in. Oh, put that there. Okay. Oh, another piece didn't cut all the way. Yeah. All right, start off with some garlic powder, a little bit of table seasoning, a little bit of salt, black pepper. Be very careful on the side that you open because mine can dispense to 3 different variations and I don't want to put too much. That's a good amount. Then we can throw in just a little bit of minced garlic. If you want to be one of those brave souls and chop up your garlic, you can, but I'm just going to throw this in just a little bit. Like this. Oh, now for the fun part, we're gonna start mixing. Mix, mix, mix. I actually forgot, I didn't even tell you guys what type of chicken taco this is. This is a sweet heat chicken taco. Absolutely amazing. It's not too spicy either, so don't worry about your spice tolerance. You will be completely fine. Okay, we're gonna turn our stove on, or get a pan. About yay big is okay. Throw this in here. On medium heat for about 2-ish minutes, just so it heats up. And then we're gonna throw some oil so when we put our chicken on, it does not burn, it does not stick to the pan. Okay, there goes our oil. Yikes. Now, take our chicken. Ooh. I was expecting a much louder, like, psst sound, but, see, now it's happening, okay. Have a lime handy because this is also an essential part to this recipe. Okay. Big squeeze. Woo! Sorry if you have any paper cuts because this is going to burn. The key thing to do is to put some aluminum foil on top. That just helps it cook more evenly. Shout out to whoever taught me that. Super simple trick, but allows you to cook so much faster. Does the type of tin foil matter? No. So, grab your tin foil. All you gotta do is this. Bang. Now we're gonna start working on the other aspects of this dish. Pineapple time. Pineapple has to be my favorite fruit. It's just one of those things that I feel like you can put on anything and just taste absolutely amazing. Start off with cutting this big head part off. Oh, dang. Okay, we didn't even get that much off. That's all we did. Yikes. Also, let's start off getting another cutting board because I don't want my family to kill me. Put this here, like this. Start slicing. Or actually, sorry. Take the sides off first. Oh, that was not even a big cut. Okay, that's fine. Cool. Dang, bro, why is this so hard to cut? Now, we're going to get a bowl, cut this block in half. Clean as you go. Otherwise, cleanup takes too long. Well, good news, your chicken should be all good to go. Yep, this is good. This is what it should look like when it's done. Yep, that looks perfect. Oh, now there's a piece on the floor. Yikes. On the cutting board, get a knife. See, I was actually planning to make some guacamole with these peppers. I was gonna give you guys a nice guacamole recipe. Super simple to make, but unfortunately, if you can hear this, yeah, these just are not right. These are not right, so sorry about that. Take your peppers and throw them into your chicken. It'll add a nice little pop. Since I don't have a perfect tortilla recipe just yet, I'm going to have to use store-bought. These are relatively healthy. These ones aren't as bad as some of the other options. But if you could just make your own tortillas at home, I would recommend you to do so. Take one of these bad boys. There's some people that like hard tacos, some people like soft tacos. It doesn't really matter. If you're really about it, you'll take a soft taco and then put a hard taco inside. That is some next level stuff. And these tacos are stuck together. What in tarnation? Okay, so these tortillas are going to look a little bit wonky, but we will bear with it. Take your plate. Whoever prepared these makes my life easier. Don't get mad at me for using this without permission. There's some beans. Some rice. Actually, I think the rice is expired. The rice is not so good, so we're not gonna do the rice. We're gonna get ourselves a nice piece of lettuce. Make sure you wash your lettuce as well, even if it's organic. Just take that extra step. Start by breaking up your lettuce. Throw it in there. Let's have a little clove of red onion. You want to break this up a little bit too. Make sure this is not too big. Don't have to put too many, just that little extra punch of pungency. We're gonna take our meat now. It's all good. Your beans are nice and warm. Throw that on here. Woo! Our cheese. Sprinkle it on. You can put as much cheese as you want. Don't have to go overboard. Now, for my favorite part of this recipe, we're going to be making the hot sauce. And this is probably 2 tablespoons worth of Greek yogurt. Oh, a little bit of hot sauce or a lot of hot sauce depending on your spice tolerance, but that should be enough for me. Okay, give this a good stir. You want it to look kind of like an orange creamsicle. You don't want any chunks of too much red, so make sure it's just as evenly distributed as possible. That is good to go. Kind of just drizzle it throughout. Oh, that was not a good drizzle, guys. Top it off with your pineapple. Yeah. Cheers. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If there's any other video ideas you'd like to see from me, make sure to comment them down below. And if I like it and I use it in another video, I'll be sure to give you a shout out. Now that you know how to make the perfect taco, you're probably wondering, Brajesh, are there any other recipes that I can make? Don't worry, I made this video here just for you.